Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Do you like a pasta? And do you make it often? Yes, I like it and make it. But when you make it, you have to boil water in a pot first, right? And you have to wait for 10 or 15 minutes. And then put the pasta there. I think it takes a long time to make it. So lately I'm using this one because very easy and fast to make it. Again, show you how to make it. Just put the pasta here and put the water up to that line. Then heat it up in the microwave. Then at 600 watts in 3 minutes 30 seconds. It's very easy to make it. Take a look from here. Drain water. Take a look, it's ready to eat. Seems delicious, doesn't it? This is only 100 yen. Very cheap. If you come to Japan, please stop by 100 yen store like a Daiso and take it. Thank you for watching. See you next Sunday. Bye.